So humor is predicated on linguistics. So
was it easier having
that role? Did you watch Mrs. Doubtfire? And did that help you prepare for the role?
All right, this isn't.
Hey everybody, it's Dr. Phil.
If you don't know me, your TV ain't been on. It's too
boy, killing it, boy. Killing
You did make the transition from Hollywood Squares to Match Game, and let me ask you that: was it easier having?
Forget it. Just forget it. Just forget it.
Good day to you, sir. I don't even know your name.
Forget it, man.
Have a wonderful...
Yeah, and you spit up all over the place.
Boy, killing it, boy, killing it.
Coolest thing in the world, you know what I mean? So cool. You have any...
I want to blow this up on Instagram. I want to...
And not be angry after a while. Doing 2 tapings of fun.
Yo, I'm on the freaking Jimmy Fallon show. Yo, I'm going
to... What's so funny?
Tell me about that.
Yeah.
But I was just saying, you know, linguistics sounds a lot like linguiça.
I love the way that sounds. Jimmy Falcon loved linguistics in eggs.
I really only in the morning, you know.
Wow, I'm so excited. I'm gonna blow this show up, man. You have no idea. Am I allowed to? Boy, killing it, boy, killing it.